Yeah, he's stuck, but I ain't helping. I'm gonna record it. No, ponelo adelante y después dale.
Put something over here.
Oh, le va a poner la 4x4. Le está poniendo la 4. No, he's putting on the 4x4.
Huh? That one.
That's Claire's car over there. Alright, KO. Tommy! Hey Caleb, what in the world? If that shit gets stuck, I'm fucked. If that car's getting stuck in the snow, I am fucked.
I told you record that. You recorded that, right?
Yeah, I'm recording it. Yeah.
Tell him to put a piece of wood in the back.
Fuck, the whole thing is made out of wood.
No. On the bottom of the tire.
Nah, I think he's calling people for backup, Holmes.
He just needs a piece of wood.
Fuck it, I'm going in there. Woo! I ain't buying no piece of wood. Woo!
You think he's so long?
I don't know.
He just threw something up.
Who, the crackhead? Or Caleb? We talking about Caleb?
Yeah.
That deserves a drink.
No, he deserves a promotion.
He's trying to open her car with your car keys.
Hey! Caleb, you okay? Stop playing! Hey! That's my car! Caleb! That's my car!
Hold on, I gotta record the truck.
He better grow up.
Caleb, push! Caleb, push! Hey, who needs the 4x4? You need your 4x4!
Why is he so crazy? Why is he so crazy?
I don't know. It's the cocaine. Wait, the customer's coming this way. Oh shit. ¿Ah? Yeah, tengo miedo que no va a frenar. I know. Oh man. ¿Ah? Especialmente con esa droga. ¿Ah? Oh, Gifty, he's running into your car now. No, I'm saying he's gonna run into your car now. It's a piece of crap anyway.
Hey,
Watch, hey, Gifty, you gotta come out with a G35 in a minute.
hey, you can't go move my car too?
What do you need me to move your car for? Are you serious?
Can I get out of there?
Ricky?
No, I tell you what, you got to be able to get out of there.
It's an 05. You want me to move it?
My car is 05?
Isn't it an 05?
Oh,
It's 08.
Fuck him.
Lord,
close.
look at him.
Woo, look at him drift. Look at that. Are you fucking out the car? This nigga, hey, he's ghost riding in the snow. Fuck that. Hey Caleb, are you ghost riding in the snow? Or are you using your shoe to brake? Hey Gifty, he's using his shoe to brake. Marijuana is a hell of a drug. Cocaine is bad for you people. Right. Well, my hands are freezing from all this commotion. So you want me to move your Nissan? Or no?
I gotta get the key. I don't have the key with me. Where you gonna put it? Right?
Wait, is that Mario's truck?
That's Mario?
Yeah. Hold on, now. Oh shit, he got you stuck. Hey, let's go help him push. Hey, let's help him push. Hey. Hold on, my dude. Go for it. Go. He's not used to driving lawnmowers. Go for it. Go, go, go. Fuck it, she goes forward.